So I went to the small town that my wife grew up in, and we were staying in my late mother-in-law's house. I decided to go outside and check out her peach tree. And look what I found. This tree has been taken care of in years, literally in years. And it has peaches on it. Look at that. You know what's amazing? This is what the tree looks like. It's hanging down so far on the ground that the branches are on the ground. Look at that. I see at least 25 peaches on this tree. Just gotta show you. Sometimes life has a way of lifing. See that there? That's the tree. These parts right here that are curved down to the ground. Look at the base of it. This tree has been fertilized. There's the other branch. It has been watered. Nothing's been done with this tree. So if you think you can't grow food, think about this tree. Sometimes, even if you have some roots of a plant, that plant wants to survive. It wants to live. You can do it. I'm not suggesting you grow a peach tree that's laying down on the ground like this, but if this tree can grow and produce fruit, surely you can produce some fruit too. All you have to do is give it a little try. Not trying to preach to you, but I want you to grow some food. So as I always say, let's get out there and get a little dirty. Yeah. So after doing a quick Google search, apparently you can pick peaches early, put them in a paper brown bag, and they will continue to ripen, unlike some fruit. So I got to give it a try. I have about, 30, 35, maybe 40 peaches in this bag. But yeah, I'm going to give it a try, and I'll let you know